don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks. Hi everyone, welcome back. And I am here today with a new foil set from the Born Pretty store. This has 10 foils in it. They are $5.59. And these foils are marble foils, okay? They look like marbles in all different colors. So they're so pretty. And I am going to demo these for you. But first I want you to see the item number. The item number is 48087. And again, the price is $5.59. Free shipping. And don't forget, I have a coupon code for you on the screen right now, Denise20, for 20% off your order. Hey, you can't go wrong with 20% off. And look at how beautiful these foils are. And here is the set of foils. They are just absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, they look like marbles, you know, like a marble floor or wall or counter. It's beautiful. These marble foils are so forgiving. I mean, if you use some foil gel and you don't get all of it covered perfectly, there's ways that you can fix this to make it look perfect, like it just blends in with the foil. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the nail that I'm going to show you how to do. So let's get started. The foil gel that I'm going to use in this video is, of course, from the Born Pretty store. It is a 6 ml bottle. And it is a UV foil gel, okay? You need a lamp to cure this, but you need to remember, this is not UV LED. It says UV. So it's gonna take a little bit longer to cure. This foil gel is $5.99, and the item number is 46080. You don't have to use Born Pretty's foil gel. You can use your favorite foil gel. These foils will work with any foil gel out on the market. And Born Pretty's foil gel is not my favorite, I'm honest. And I think they could do a little bit of improvement on this foil gel, but I am going to use it for this video. I'm going to be doing this design on a swatch stick instead of my finger. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove the shine from the fingernail, and I use a fine buffing block to do this. And after that, I clean the nail with isopropyl alcohol. At this point, you could polish the nails with a gel polish that will match the foil, but I did not do this. I just put this right over my natural nail. What I did do first to my natural nail is I applied a base gel and I cured that for 30 seconds. And then I applied a no wipe top coat and cured that for 1 minute. And now I'm going to apply the no wipe top coat. And I have read and I have experienced too that when you're using any kind of foil gel that needs to be cured in a lamp, that you do not apply it over a tacky layer, because it just seems that it won't work very well and the foil won't stick very well. Okay, so the top coat is all cured. Remember, this is a no wipe top coat, no tacky layer, no inhibition layer. That is what you want. You want to apply your foil gels over top of a finished nail that has a no wipe top coat. You don't want any sticky surface, okay? It just makes the foil gels pick up the foil better. From experience, from what I've learned. Now it's time to apply the foil gel, and as you can see here, I'm applying a nice, thin layer, not overly thick, and I am going to cure this in my lamp for 90 seconds. Remember, this is a UV gel. I'm using a dual lamp. It's a 48 watt Sun 4 lamp. The foil gel has been cured for 90 seconds and I let it cool down for 30. That is just a tip that I've read about, I've tried. It just helps the foil gel to become even more tacky. What I do is you just have to take your foil and figure out, what part of the foil you want to use. Do you want to have a little piece of orange in it or more graining? It's just up to you. And then I lay it on there, and now what I'm doing is I am using a dry wipe and I'm just rubbing the surface of the nail really well. And you have to take into account that a lot of nails have more of a curve to them, so it can be difficult when you get wrinkles and the sidewalls and everything. So just take your time, do the best you can, and you will see the foil lift away from the nail. And when you see that, it should be ready to take off. Now, as you can see here, I did miss some parts, and that is probably due to the foil gel, or it's just maybe thinner areas. I don't know why, but just go ahead and touch it back on. Do you see here? I just touched the foil back on, and it does stick for the most part. And that's not a problem, because what we're going to do, we're going to fix this, and we're going to make it blend into the foil to make it look just like a marbled foil, and you'll never know that there's parts of the foil missing. And that's another reason why you might want to paint your nails like a cream color here. I could have done that, and then you wouldn't see the missing foil as much. But yes, foils can be tricky and hard to work with. So you just have to find the best foil gel that works for you. And now it's time to fix this and make it look better, just like, no foil was ever missing. All right, so you just look at your nail and you see any parts that are missing foil, and I just come back in with more foil gel and kind of brush it on lightly in those spots, and then again cure that for 90 seconds, let it cool for 30. Now that foil gel is cured, I'm just going to come in with a small piece of gold foil and just start touching it on, and then that will hide any kind of missing spaces on the other foil, and it looks like it goes with that foil. Do remember that Born Pretty Store does carry the gold foil, as you can see with the photo there. The item number is 45327. Now the only thing left to do is to top coat with a no wipe top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, and that's the end of the design. It looks great. Looks like it always went together. Remember, it's always easy to find items on the Born Pretty Store website. That's why I give you the item number. All you need to do is pull up the search bar, put in the item number, and search it, and that item will come up. So if there's anything that you want here on this website, be sure to go to Born Pretty Store, use my coupon code Denise20 for 20% off your order. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.